Hello, this is our stainless steel flat head knurled body rivet nut. Size, M8 by 18.5, grip range, 1 to 3.5 mm. We are going to show you 6 types of routine tests. Basically, these tests are to ensure the qualification of our products for general industry. The first test is size measurement. Here we will test 2 pieces of samples. The body diameter is 10.93 mm and 10.89 mm. Total length is 18.02 mm and 18.07 mm. Head diameter is 14.45 mm and 14.41 mm. Head thickness is 1.53 mm and 1.52 mm. Length of non-thread area is 7.79 mm and 7.89 mm. The second is the riveting test. The grip range is 1 to 3.5 mm. Now we are riveting 2 pieces of rivet nuts on both 1 mm thick and 3.0 mm thick metal plate. You can check their riveting performance. Before test, we need to fix the set rivet nuts firmly. Now we are doing torque to turn test. Screw the bolt fully into rivet nut from the bottom of rivet nut. Rotate torque wrench till it moves in the work piece. The first rivet nut result is 16.80 Newton-meter. The second rivet nut test result is 14.82 Newton-meter. Next we will go on with broken torque test. Screw the bolt fully into rivet nut from the top side. Rotate torque wrench till threads are broken. The first rivet nut test result is 51.50 Newton-meter. Second rivet nut test result is 48.00 Newton-meter. Now we are doing the axial proof load test. Screw the rivet nut into the bolt on the fixture of tensile machine. Apply pressure to threads. The tension is continuously increasing. The tension is achieved 24,900 newtons and keep 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, the tension is getting down. Then take out the rivet nut. If can take out smoothly means axial proof load is qualified. Repeat the last test for the second piece of rivet nut. The test data shows this rivet nut passed the proof load test. The sixth is the shear test. Before test, need to rivet the two work pieces together. Put the work piece into tensile machine. The opposite strengths is horizontally enforcing on rivet nut till it's broken. The first value is 8,236 newtons. Repeat the above test. The second result is 8,200 newtons. We have finished all tests for our stainless steel flat head knurled body rivet nut. So, from now on you can detect what make a qualified rivet nut. Thank you for watching this video, and welcome to reach out to us at any time whenever you need our help.